and welcome to today's video on how to crochet. In this video I'd like to show you how to do a very quick and easy half a double crochet. That's in US terminology and it will read as HDC in your crochet pattern. So what we're going to do is we're going to get ready for this stitch, and in this next stitch here is where I'm going to work it. So what you need to do is go round the back and then insert your hook into this stitch here. And go around the back and grab hold of that yarn and pull it through. Then you've got 3 loops on your hook. Next we're going to go around the back and drag that through all 3 of these loops like so. And that's how you do a half double crochet. So again, in this next stitch, go around, grab into the stitch, grab hold, 3 loops on your hook, grab that yarn, pull through all 3 loops, and one more time, get that loop on your hook, go into your stitch, grab hold of that yarn to pull it through, and then you pull through all 3 loops on your hook. There we go. That's a very nice, easy, neat way of doing a half a double crochet. So I hope this helps you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.